Hello all of my lovelies, it's Melissa. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I am working with dried flowers, a technique that I learned when I took the Valentine's Day workshop from Talia's Nail Studio. For my base color, I am using CND Shellac Ice Bar. And I will also be using Ugly Duckling Clear Sculpting Gel. And these dried flowers from Amazon. And then I'm also going to use the Star Nail Shimmerize. And then to seal everything up, the Ugly Duckling No Wipe Top Coat. So I had already put on my first coat of shellac. So this is the second coat going on after the first one has been cured. And now I'm just going to kind of float on a layer of clear sculpting gel. I don't want it on too thick because I don't want these to be bulky nails. All right, and then I'm just going to put little pieces of dried flowers randomly on the nail. In Talia's workshop, she used, I think it was like a glass gel polish. I'm not 100% sure. It was from Coco & Claire, and hers definitely had a lot more ease for movement of the flowers, but she said to just use what we have here, so that's what I'm doing. All right, and I've added in 2 purple flowers, and then I'm going to do some greenery, or I guess a leaf really. And I had cut it in half because I was just like, oh, this isn't going to work. It's going to be too big. And then I changed my mind and put the other half back on. And once all of that is pressed in place, I am going to cure it in my lamp. All right, so now I'm going to add a layer of the Star Nail Shimmerize gel. I switched to this one because I have a ton of it and I didn't want to use the Ugly Duckling Clear gel I had. So I'm just going to apply a layer of that gel and then kind of fill in the dips that are left from where I need more product. And then I'm going to add in a couple more flowers. And then I'm going to push that into the gel. That'll be cured, and then I will add another layer of Shimmerize. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure I used far too much of the Shimmerize for a lot of these nails, but I just filed and shaped them to where I wanted them. All right, on to the next nail, another layer of the Clear Ugly Duckling Sculpting Gel. And then I'm going to put some gorgeous yellow flowers in the upper left-hand corner. And then in the lower right hand, some purple ones. I love this nail. This is probably my favorite out of the whole set that I did. All right, so I'm going to cure that one now, and then I am going to add a layer of the Shimmerize again and do the same thing. Fill in the low spots to even everything out. All right, so that is cured, and I'm just going to do one more smoothing layer just to make sure I don't file off any of the flowers. And then on the next nail, same thing, some clear sculpting gel. And then this adorable teal flower, and they are definitely super flexible. I was just like, how am I going to get this to work in the nail? It's going to stick out. But I just kind of fumbled my way through it in reality. So from Clear Jelly Stamper, I took the teal stamper and then had the jelly head on, and then I just put a little LED flashlight in there and pressed it down to kind of just hold it in place. And it actually worked really good, but then I looked at it and I'm just like, oh my God, this looks terrible. However, this is definitely a trust the process for this particular nail, or really all of these nails. So I added some more gel over top of the petals just to get them to stick down when I use the LED and clear jelly stamper flashlight combo again. So when that was done, I cured that, and now I'm going to fill it in with the Shimmerize. And this is the nail that I definitely used way too much gel on, but that's okay. It was a first time try for me. All right, so I'm gonna put that one in the lamp to cure. And then this is the last nail I did. I chose to not do all 5 nails because sometimes I find it a little bit just too much, at least for me. So that's why I usually leave a plain nail in a good part of my nail art videos. Okay, so I'm going to add on some yellow and purple flowers. And I'm just going to poke them down so that they are stuck in the gel for when it is time to cure. And now that that's cured, I'm going to add a layer of Shimmerize and seal that all in. All right, so I did do my filing and shaping off camera because I literally cannot do that when I am filming. It just, because the movement is so quick, you can't really see anything anyways. So after I filed and shaped, I used a pink silk line buffer just to smooth everything out. And now I'm just going to seal it all with the Ugly Duckling No Wipe Top Coat. And this is where it really, really came together. I was like, oh my God, this looks amazing. And you can tell this little teal flower that I was just like, wow, that's not looking nice, is actually looking amazing. And then this is the nail that I left plain. And then the last one. And that is how that set of nails looks. I love these. I'm so glad I took Talia's Valentine's Day workshop, and the dried flower portion is actually a bonus in the workshop. You can still get the workshop of, I believe it's like for $50 Canadian. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. Bye.